What is up, my beloved people? Well, honestly, just people. So, I just got back from work, and honestly, oh, there's hair in it. I got my package. Yay! So, as you know, I'm using my phone, or if you don't know, I am. And this thing is a phone thing. For a smartphone, I don't know. So I'm gonna open it. So we're gonna open it, then see it for ourselves. Okay, I'll just switch scene. Alright, so I opened it. Sorry for that dirty hand. Like I said, you'll know about this when on my upcoming video. Anyway, I opened the box, and this is what it shows up: a bag. A fancy bag with cool stuff. So first, let's go to the stand. I'll hold it. I'm doing this in one hand, by the way, so bear with me. So this is the stand. It's not the bad. Like, you can hold it like this. It's if you have a big hand, it pretty much is easy. It's a right way to hold like that. And honestly, it looks nice. Like it's like one of the like from the Incredibles, that robot thing. Oh, look there, look nice. I'm not sure what's this behind here. I think it's for the either car or something. And second piece will be this. This is the clip for the phone right here. So I think this is the thing. Yeah, this is the thing right here, goes here, and this one adjusts the thing. So yeah, the rest is just papers, pretty much telling you the manual, audio peeler, something. I don't know what's this. What's this? Jail, throw away. Do not eat this. If you have kids, be careful. So might as well throw it away. This thing, I think it's a warranty instruction, so yeah, like I said, this is just a piece of paper, so yeah. Okay, for a third piece will be this, the mic itself. So I think it's this. I think this is the one on here on the top. I don't know where's this other screw, so I don't know, maybe it's somewhere. I don't know. I'll figure it out myself. So anyway, this one is the cleaner of it. So it's really easy. Pretty much this is just everything. This is so we'll just put it on, then let's see how it works. Okay, so it's fully equipped, and I don't know how it's gonna look, and hopefully, honestly, I'm gonna review it and tell you what I think about it, so you'll know what's on my opinion about this. So BRB in 5 seconds. Okay, so I reviewed 2 videos, and honestly, they're actually this one is a little my girlfriend's Chinese said it's a little crisp. Now for me, it's quite clear because actually it focuses in one thing. Like I'm talking directly to it, and it actually capturing my voice. And compared to the iPhone, it captures it in here, where usually you need to talk loud and depending on distance. So like I'm keeping my distance. I put it down so we could you could hear me clearly and betterly, not crisp, like just like hey guys, like that. Like you just keep it a distance, like just a nice volume, nice easy going. So honestly, in my opinion, I'll give it like a 4 out of 5 because it's actually quite nice. But the thing is, the thing is like a little weird. There's like things happening here, and then they push a button to adjust. So I give it a 4 out of 5. It's nice, it's good. So actually, I'm happy about this. So watch out. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. And then again, Sorry for my voice. I've been outside all day, and honestly, I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. I did this review because I don't want to be. I wanna tell everyone that this actually looks really good. Comes with a bag, comes with this, and comes with a manual. If you don't, I suggest just speed through everything, and it'll be fine. And also through the little bag, because those things are just for mint, I think. I don't know, but those are toxic. People die from that. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!